Hi everybody. Finally, welcome to our bathroom, closet, bedroom renovation. I want to show you around. I'm so pleased with it. We're not quite finished. We still have a few little things to do, but I figured we were close enough and it's time. Come on in and let me show you what we've done. So this is the entrance and we reconfigured everything. So I used some art that I had in what I call my meditation room before because it just seems to be perfect. But we're gonna rearrange a little bit and I'll tell you why. Because we have a huge piece of art coming to go right here. So these two will be stacked. So clearly the dogs love this space. This is a little bench that I've had for 25 years and it's just so perfect right here. So I'm really pleased that I could reuse some things and just bring in some of the history of what we've had into the bathroom. So I wanted a little drama and I think I got it. The ceiling in the old bathroom was vaulted and I found this most amazing chandelier and I'm so happy with the way it looks. It goes with the sconces that hang on either side of this amazing window that just to me makes the whole bathroom. So I haven't had a bathtub in many years and I love to take a bath. So when I found this bathtub, I made sure to get in it so I would know that it wasn't too long and that I could sit in it and soak and enjoy myself. And I just think it's perfect. This piece of art was hanging in my office and I decided it was a very calming, beautiful piece of art and Baldy loved it so much so we hung it and it just seems perfect. Everything just seems perfect. I found this little bar cart on Amazon and it holds everything I need for a good long soak. And we have not slept in this bedroom or used this bathroom yet. I wanted everything to be fresh and new and done before we started using it. So tonight is the night. Hold on, should I turn it off? I'll turn it off. Okay. So one thing I really wanted, because I'm not a television watcher and I don't really take the time to sit down and watch television, so I thought I could soak in the bathtub and watch some television if I had a television, hold on, yes, a television in my mirror. I feel like I'm at the Ritz-Carlton. So anyway, that was just a really little fun thing that we did. And believe me, getting these things installed was an ordeal. We did quartz countertops and I'm really happy with the way they turned out because the way the room flows, I felt like we needed to do hardwood throughout instead of doing tile in here. And there's a streak of brown that runs through the quartz that matches the floors. And I think it just ties everything all together. And I love that I have so much counter space and I can always have fresh flowers and just really have room finally for all of my makeup and girly things. This is my Buddha and one of my most prized possessions. I found this at a little boutique in Blowing Rock, North Carolina, and Baldy bought it for me. And I knew when I bought it that at some point I wanted to drape him with jewels. So he is now adorned with some of my long necklaces, and he is just really, I think, a great, very interesting addition to the bathroom. And behind him, I have two pieces of art that I found that I think just go perfectly with the room and Buddha and all of it. So just all of these things are coming together. And the room will evolve over time. I think everything as far as decor needs to evolve. And I'll add things and I'll take things away, but for right now, I'm just so happy with this and love looking at Buddha every day. Okay, this is Baldy's side. Not really too decorated. I do have an orchid over here, but like I said, we haven't really moved in yet, and I'm gonna get to work on this space, but he doesn't really like a lot of frou-frou, so I do. I'll have all the frou-frou and we'll keep this nice and neat. So if you could have seen the shower that we were using before, I feel so spoiled, and I am really very excited about this shower. It has it all. So this is the hallway leading into my closet. This is the WC, and I'm not going to show that yet because it needs art and I want to make it really fun. So we'll have a whole separate video about the water closet. I'm finding art kind of gradually, and I found this piece and I felt like it was a little too modern, a little too stark, but I found this one yesterday and I felt like it tied it all together and it made it a little more, I don't know, I just like the two together. They seem to complement each other. I've always been a shoe girl, and I knew that I needed supplemental space for shoes. So this space was going to be a laundry room, and I started really worrying that I wouldn't have room for my shoes. And what's more important, laundry or shoes? So I went with the shoes. This is a supplemental shoe closet, and it's not quite full, so I have some shopping to do. There's ones over here. Yes, Baldy does have a closet, but he is slowly getting it the way he wants it. What he doesn't know is that when he goes out of town tomorrow, I'm gonna get in there and get it like I want it, and he'll be really happy with it. So I'm not gonna show you that right now. It's right here. I feel like Barbie. So pretty. Come and look. So I knew I wanted a center island, and then I found this light fixture, and I immediately knew that it would be kind of the centerpiece of the closet, and it's just so beautiful and perfect. So there are a few things that aren't finished. I have ordered wallpaper for the ceiling, and it is spectacular. It's a gold wallpaper, and I can't wait to show it to you, but it's not here yet, and it's gonna be a little while, so we're waiting on that. The hardware on the drawers, I think, is just so beautiful and really different than the hardware in the bathroom, because I wanted this closet to be a room of its own. This is another thing that's not finished. I've got glass coming to go in these cabinet doors, but these were custom made, and I'm just really thrilled with how they turned out. And then in the back of the closet, there will be a mirror and also a glass shelf. I really wanted it to look kind of like a boutique when I came into it, and it's just really my happy place. I love to be in here and piddle around and put outfits together and try on clothes. And so I arranged the shoes and bags. Actually, my friend Kim helped me arrange all the shoes and bags, and I have everything kind of color coordinated, and so I can see, like, if I want blue, I've got blue here, and it just all works out really well. It's so much easier to get dressed now that I can see what I have. And this is all spring and summer. My winter clothes do not fit in here. So these were the first two pieces of art that I found, and I love them because it's like two ladies lounging in a dressing room, and the colors are just so beautiful with the pale yellow on the walls. Still working on some of the organizational things, and I'm planning to do a second video, a much shorter one, and just kind of show you how I've organized the drawers. And this is all a little new to me. I've never had this much space, so I'm working on getting everything really organized. Come here, Arch. Come here. You gotta be in it too. We all love to be in here. They hang out with me. The tail. Now I want to show you the bedroom. It is probably pretty incomplete, but it's still looking so much better than it ever did. So I just want to show you. Come on. Come. I decided to paint everything yellow, and my furniture that I was using originally all worked in here, which after all of the money we've spent, it was kind of nice to not have to recover everything. So these chairs and the ottoman were here. I've tried to redo the bookcases and buy some extra decorative books that match the room a little bit and just look really pretty. I still have some work to do on those. And I added this little marble coffee table here in the middle so you can sit and have morning coffee or a glass of wine and really make this space a haven. This space is like it was, but there was a huge closet that covered this whole area here, and it was Baldy's closet, and we took the closet out so we would have more room, and now we have this really spacious room for the bed, and we decided to get a sleep number bed. We have not slept on it yet. Tonight is the night. But I have brand new sheets from Boll and Branch. They really were so good to me and sent them for the new bed. So I'm just really happy about that. And we need some art, but it's so peaceful and it's just so nice. And I cannot wait to get up in the morning in this bed. It is a split king. So Baldy snores, so I'm going to be able to help him out with his snoring by raising his head just a little bit. But anyway, clearly we need art, and I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to wait till just the right thing comes along, but just so excited about the space. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. It's been a long time coming. We started this whole thing in August, and it's just now complete. So thanks for watching. My little boys, I love you guys so much. You guys do, you're so beautiful. I walked both of them today separately. I just can't walk them together. They're too wild. And Amos is out of shape. He really meant to do it and kind of forgot.